Hey,
How you doing?
I'm doing a 111 places not to miss
Okay.
in
Cool.
Vancouver.
Yeah.
It's a book,
Okay.
and I'm retracing it for my YouTube channel.
Oh, cool.
And this place is in the book.
Okay. Amazing. Well, welcome back. Get me somewhere.
Thanks, man.
No worries.
Nice meeting you.
Very nice to meet you. Thanks for popping by.
You betcha.
Good
This
luck
was a
with your film.
foundry started in 23.
Yes. Steel foundry.
And they were making, what were they making in
They
here?
made plane parts, for example, like we link them to mosquito jets, like plane parts.
Okay.
Anything big metal steel pieces basically, and then the railroads are right there, so everything would be loaded on
Very cool.
very easily. Hey.
Very
Nice to meet you. Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Have a good night. Have a good afternoon.
Hey, take care, guys. Great beer. You're looking good. I hear the kitchen's good here.
I think so.
Yeah? You're not partial about that, are you? Looking good. Have a good evening. So, in 1923, it was a steel foundry. And they took it and turned it into a wonderful restaurant bar. The port is just over there, railroad tracks and all the rest. And you know, Vancouver has been a gateway, not just a beautiful city filled with nature and international people and the arts and so much else, but it's been a gateway to the rest of North America, Europe, Asia, is a way for people to enjoy the whole idea of import-export. And so here was a place that they took and churned into something very special. And that was delicious what he gave me there to sample. And the kitchen, I hear, is fabulous, so we're gonna have to come back and give it a try. We got another place to go to, just down the road from this one, here on Alexander, which is part of Gastown, which is part of the downtown area of Vancouver. So let's go see what this next spot has to offer. A baker's dozen antiques. 3520 Main Street. It's in the book. Let's see, 3496. 35. Wait a minute. What's going on here? looks like it's no longer here. This should be 3520, should be right there. Oh, let's take a look for a minute here and see what we're looking at. Okay, now 3520. Are you from around here? This a Baker's Dozen Antiques. 3520 Main Street. It used to be in here. Whoa! I'm doing this 111 places in Vancouver.
Oh.
I'm capturing them all on my YouTube.
Oh, that's interesting.
And so they have probably moved somewhere. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. You too. So it looks like we're going to need to update it. Last time it was updated 2019, I believe. And there, so he thinks it was in here. But it's not anymore. All right. We will get to the bottom of the story. We will send them a message, see if they're in business and where they are, and try to go get a picture of them. Because Dave Dorgy, Graham Menzies, put it in the book. So it's got significance, and if it's got significance to them, it's got significance to us. Let's go see about the next place and whether or not it's there or not. Just kidding. Life's filled with great moments just like this, and you and I get to share it very privately. Here we go.
All I want, me and
Thank you. Very cool. What nice people. So, we're off.